Good road motel, very easy coming and going. Free parking. Good cheap BF. Premiere Classe Auxerre, a stylish and convenient stay in Moneteau. Welcome to Premiere Classe Auxerre, a stylish and modern hotel located in the charming town of Moneteau, France. With its convenient location and excellent amenities, this hotel is the perfect choice for both business and leisure travelers. Featuring 74 well-appointed rooms, Premiere Classe Auxerre offers a comfortable and relaxing stay for all guests. Each room is tastefully decorated with contemporary furnishings and equipped with modern amenities to ensure a pleasant and enjoyable experience. Whether you are traveling alone, with a partner, or with family, you will find the perfect room to suit your needs. Check-in at Premiere Classe Auxerre begins at 12 p.m., allowing you to start your stay without any delay. The friendly and professional staff will be ready to assist you and ensure a smooth check-in process. If you need to check out, the hotel allows you until 12 p.m., giving you ample time to pack up and prepare for your departure. Please note that Premiere Classe Auxerre has a child policy in place. While children are welcome to stay at the hotel, there may be extra charges involved. It is recommended to contact the hotel directly for more information regarding the child policy and any additional fees that may apply. Whether you are visiting Moneteau for business or leisure, Premiere Classe Auxerre provides a convenient and comfortable base for your stay. With its modern amenities, stylish rooms, and excellent location, this hotel is the perfect choice for travelers seeking a memorable experience in Moneteau, France. Book your stay at Premiere Classe Auxerre today and enjoy a delightful stay in this charming town. Unwind and relax in Premiere Classe Auxerre's serene garden nestled within the picturesque surroundings of Moneteau, France. Premiere Classe Auxerre offers a serene garden that provides the perfect setting for relaxation and unwinding. Step into this lush oasis and escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life. The garden is beautifully landscaped with vibrant flowers, towering trees, and manicured lawns, creating a tranquil ambience that will instantly put you at ease. Take a leisurely stroll through the garden and let the gentle breeze caress your face as you explore the various seating areas scattered throughout. Whether you prefer to bask in the sun on a comfortable lounger or find shade under a parasol, there is a spot for everyone to enjoy. Sit back, sip on a refreshing drink, and immerse yourself in the peaceful atmosphere.